20 Fascinating Mysteries Explained. From cats purring to black holes. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into some of the most intriguing questions that have puzzled humanity for ages. From the everyday mysteries like why cats purr to the cosmic enigmas of black holes, we're going to explore the science, history, and cultural significance behind these fascinating phenomena. Random thought. 1. Why do cats purr? It's a question that has puzzled cat lovers for centuries. The vibrations of a cat's purr have even been shown to promote healing and reduce stress, both in cats and their humans. But why do cats purr? Cats purr for various reasons, including communication, self-healing, and expressing contentment. When a cat purrs, it releases endorphins, which can help them manage pain and stress. This is why you might notice a cat purring when it's injured or unwell. Additionally, purring can be a way for cats to communicate with their owners and other cats, signaling that they are happy, relaxed, or seeking attention. So, the next time you hear a cat purr, remember that it's not just a sign of happiness, but a complex behavior with multiple purposes. 2. The origins of common idioms. Have you ever wondered why we say break a leg when we wish someone good luck? This phrase dates back to the theater world, where wishing someone good luck was considered bad luck. Instead, performers would say break a leg to avoid jinxing the performance. Or why we let the cat out of the bag when we reveal a secret. This idiom originates from medieval markets where merchants would sell piglets in bags. Unscrupulous sellers would sometimes substitute a cat for a piglet, and when the cat was let out of the bag, the scam was revealed. These common idioms, and many others, have fascinating origins that often date back centuries. Exploring the origins of these idioms offers a glimpse into the history, culture, and evolution of language itself. From the theater to medieval markets, each idiom tells a unique story. 3. Why do we dream? The world of dreams, a realm of fantastical imagery, bizarre scenarios, and sometimes even profound insights. While the definitive answer remains elusive, exploring the science and symbolism of dreams can offer valuable clues about the workings of the human mind. Throughout history, dreams have been a source of fascination and mystery. Ancient civilizations believed dreams were messages from the gods, while modern psychology sees them as reflections of our subconscious. Scientifically, dreams occur during the REM stage of sleep, when brain activity is high. This stage is crucial for memory consolidation and emotional processing. By analyzing our dreams, we can gain insights into our deepest fears, desires, and unresolved conflicts, making them a powerful tool for self-discovery and personal growth. 4. The science behind déjà vu. That eerie feeling that you've experienced something before, even though you know you haven't, is a phenomenon known as déjà vu. While the exact mechanisms are still being investigated, exploring the neurological basis of déjà vu sheds light on the complexities of human perception and memory. Some theories suggest that déjà vu occurs when there's a slight delay in the brain's processing of information, causing a momentary overlap between short-term and long-term memory. The hippocampus, a region of the brain involved in memory formation, plays a crucial role in this process. When it misfires, it can create the illusion of familiarity. Understanding déjà vu not only helps us grasp the intricacies of memory, but also provides insights into how our brains construct reality. 5. How was the moon formed? Our celestial companion, the moon, has captivated humanity for millennia. The prevailing theory is the giant impact hypothesis, suggesting a Mars-sized object collided with a young Earth billions of years ago. Evidence supporting this theory includes the moon's composition, which is remarkably similar to Earth's mantle, and its orbit, which is tilted relative to Earth's equator. After the collision, debris from both Earth and the impactor formed a ring around Earth, which eventually coalesced into the moon. Over time, the moon's surface was shaped by volcanic activity and impacts, creating the craters and maria we see today. Today, the moon continues to be a source of fascination and scientific study, revealing secrets about our own planet's history. 6. The history of Friday the 13th superstition. Friday the 13th, a date shrouded in superstition and feared by many. Over centuries, historical events, combined with cultural anxieties and psychological biases, have solidified the fear of Friday the 13th in the public imagination. The superstition is often linked to the Last Supper, where Judas, the 13th guest, betrayed Jesus, leading to his crucifixion on a Friday. Another historical event is the mass arrest of the Knights Templar on Friday, October 13, 1307, ordered by King Philip IV of France. These events, combined with other superstitions like avoiding ladders and breaking mirrors, have perpetuated the fear of Friday the 13th. Pop culture, especially horror movies like Friday the 13th, has further embedded this fear into our collective consciousness. 7. What makes spicy food hot? For those who like it hot, spicy food can be a delightful culinary adventure. Capsaicin binds to receptors on our tongues that are responsible for sensing heat and pain. This compound tricks our brain into thinking our mouth is on fire. The intensity of the heat is measured on the Scoville scale, with pure capsaicin topping the charts at a whopping 16 million units. Capsaicin activates the TRPV1 receptors, which are also responsible for detecting actual heat. This is why spicy food can make you sweat and feel a burning sensation. Different cultures have embraced spicy food in unique ways, making it a global phenomenon. From the fiery curries of India to the hot sauces of Mexico, the love for spice is universal. 8. The mystery of the Bermuda Triangle. The Bermuda Triangle, a region in the North Atlantic Ocean, has long been shrouded in mystery and intrigue. This area, roughly bounded by Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, has been the site of numerous disappearances of ships and aircraft. The mysteries surrounding this region are often the result of exaggeration, misinterpretations of data, and the human tendency to find patterns in random events. Despite extensive research, no single theory has been able to fully explain the phenomena. Some attribute it to natural causes like methane hydrates or magnetic anomalies, while others suggest more fantastical explanations like alien abductions or underwater cities. The Bermuda Triangle continues to captivate the imagination, blending fact and fiction in a way that keeps its legend alive. 9. Why do we have fingerprints? Our fingerprints, those unique patterns of ridges on our fingertips, are more than just identifiers. The ridges on our fingerprints increase friction, allowing us to grip objects with greater precision and control. No two fingerprints are alike, not even in identical twins, making them a reliable tool for identification and a testament to the incredible diversity of human biology. Fingerprints form in the womb around the 10th week of pregnancy, influenced by genetic and environmental factors. This intricate process ensures that each fingerprint is unique. Beyond identification, fingerprints are now used in technology for secure access, from unlocking phones to verifying identities, showcasing their importance in our daily lives. 10. How do airplanes stay in the air? It might seem counterintuitive that something as heavy as an airplane can soar through the sky. The wings of an airplane are designed to create lift, an upward force that counteracts gravity. Lift is generated by the shape of the wings, which are curved on top and flatter on the bottom. This shape causes air to move faster over the top of the wing and slower underneath, creating a pressure difference. Combined with thrust from the engines, which propels the airplane forward, and careful control of drag and weight, airplanes are able to defy gravity. Pilots use various control surfaces like ailerons, elevators, and rudders to manage the airplane's direction and stability. This intricate balance of forces allows airplanes to transport us across vast distances safely and efficiently. 11. Why do some people see ghosts? Tales of ghostly apparitions have haunted humanity for centuries. But why do some people see ghosts while others don't? Pareidolia, the tendency to perceive meaningful patterns in random stimuli, can lead people to see faces and figures in shadows and darkness. Our brains are wired to recognize familiar shapes, even when they aren't really there. Additionally, cultural beliefs, expectations, and the power of suggestion can all play a role in shaping our perceptions and interpretations of unusual experiences. Stories passed down through generations and personal experiences can reinforce the belief in ghosts. Sleep paralysis and vivid dreams can also contribute to ghost sightings, making the experience feel incredibly real. 12. The secret life of trees, how they communicate. Trees, far from being solitary organisms, are engaged in a complex web of interactions, exchanging information and resources through an intricate underground network known as the Wood Wide Web. This network, facilitated by mycorrhizal fungi, allows trees to share nutrients and even warn each other of dangers. This intricate communication system highlights the interconnectedness of nature and challenges our traditional understanding of plant intelligence, showing that trees are far more complex than we ever imagined. 13. Why do we say "bless you" after sneezing? The custom of saying "bless you" after someone sneezes is a deeply ingrained social norm, but have you ever wondered about its origins? This seemingly simple gesture has a surprisingly long and fascinating history, rooted in ancient beliefs and superstitions. One popular theory dates back to the time of the bubonic plague, where sneezing was often a sign of impending illness, and saying "bless you" was a way to offer a prayer for protection. Another belief is that sneezing was thought to expel evil spirits from the body, and the phrase was a way to safeguard the sneezer. While the original beliefs behind this custom have largely faded, the phrase itself has endured as a gesture of goodwill and social etiquette. 14. How do black holes work? Black holes, those enigmatic objects of immense density and gravity, are among the most fascinating and mind-boggling phenomena in the universe. They form when massive stars collapse under their own gravity, creating a point of infinite density known as a singularity. The gravitational pull of a black hole is so strong that not even light can escape it, which is why they appear black. The boundary around a black hole, called the event horizon, marks the point of no return. Understanding black holes not only expands our knowledge of the universe, but also pushes the boundaries of physics and our understanding of the nature of reality itself. They challenge our concepts of space, time, and the fundamental laws of physics. 15. Why is the ocean blue? The vast expanse of the ocean, with its mesmerizing blue hues, has captivated seafarers and poets for centuries. This means that as sunlight penetrates the ocean's depths, the blue wavelengths are scattered and reflected back to our eyes, giving the ocean its characteristic blue color. Sunlight, which appears white, is actually composed of different colors. When it hits the ocean, the water absorbs colors like red, orange, and yellow more efficiently. Blue light, however, penetrates deeper and is scattered in all directions, making the ocean appear blue to us. Factors like the presence of algae, sediments, and the angle of the sun can also influence the exact shade of blue we see. So, the next time you gaze at the ocean, remember the fascinating interplay of light and water that creates its beautiful blue color. 16. The science of happiness. Happiness, that elusive state of well-being and contentment, is more than just a fleeting emotion. While there's no magic formula for happiness, understanding the science behind it can empower us to make choices that promote well-being and lead to a more fulfilling life. Research shows that happiness is influenced by a combination of genetic, environmental, and personal factors. Activities like meditation, exercise, and social connections can significantly boost our happiness levels. Positive psychology emphasizes the importance of gratitude, mindfulness, and purpose in life. By cultivating these practices, we can enhance our overall sense of well-being. So, while happiness may seem elusive, understanding its science can help us make intentional choices that lead to a more joyful and fulfilling life. 17. The weirdest animal migrations in nature. The animal kingdom is full of incredible feats of endurance and navigation, with some species undertaking epic journeys across vast distances. These migrations, both ordinary and extraordinary, highlight the incredible diversity of life on Earth and the intricate ways in which animals have adapted to their environments. The Arctic tern, for instance, travels from the Arctic to the Antarctic and back each year, covering around 44,000 miles. Locusts can form swarms that travel hundreds of miles, devastating crops along the way. And reindeer migrate across the Arctic tundra, facing extreme weather conditions. These incredible journeys showcase the resilience and adaptability of the animal kingdom. 18. Why do people fear the number 666? It's often referred to as the number of the beast, has long been associated with fear, evil, and the occult. This fear is deeply rooted in religious texts, particularly the Book of Revelation in the Christian Bible, where 666 is described as the mark of the beast. Throughout history, 666 has been linked to various superstitions and conspiracy theories. Some believe it represents the Antichrist or a harbinger of doom. Its enduring power as a symbol of evil highlights the influence of religious beliefs and the human tendency to find patterns and meaning in numbers. Whether seen as a mere coincidence or a sign of something more sinister, the fear of 666 continues to captivate and terrify people around the world. 19. How do chameleons change color? Chameleons, those masters of disguise, are renowned for their ability to change color at will, blending seamlessly with their surroundings. By controlling the distribution of pigments within these cells, chameleons can alter their skin color and patterns. These color changes are not just about camouflage, they're also used for social signaling, temperature regulation, and even emotional expression. Chameleons have specialized cells called chromatophores, which contain different pigments. By expanding or contracting these cells, they can produce a wide range of colors. Additionally, chameleons have another layer of cells called iridophores, which reflect light and add to their color-changing abilities, making them truly fascinating creatures. And random thought number 20. What if the Earth stopped spinning? Our planet is in a constant state of motion, spinning on its axis at over 1,000 miles per hour. Without the centrifugal force of Earth's rotation, everything not bolted to the ground would be flung eastward at incredible speeds. In short, the Earth stopping its spin would be a global cataclysm, rendering the planet uninhabitable for most life forms. The sudden halt would cause massive atmospheric disruptions, leading to extreme weather events like never before. Oceans would surge, creating colossal tidal waves that would devastate coastal regions. The abrupt stop would also trigger massive earthquakes as tectonic plates adjust to the new conditions. Additionally, one side of the Earth would face perpetual daylight, while the other would be plunged into eternal night, drastically altering climates and ecosystems. Ultimately, the cessation of Earth's rotation would transform our planet into a desolate, lifeless world.
Thank you all for watching this here video. Please like and subscribe.